question. So in the given circuit, so the value of capacitor they have asked, and they told that you want to make the current I is equal to 0. Okay, that's very simple. For this one, I have to give some other small instructions to you. Okay, small instructions. What the instruction means, I can have it as a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 means, so from the given, the current flowing. Okay, from the given the specification, the current flowing, the I you can take it as 0. Okay, 0 in the circuit. Circuit I can in the short form of CKT. Okay, no problem. Now 2. So when it happen means it will happen. Okay, it will definitely happen. At what time means you will get the impedance. Okay, impedance means you can name the form of Z. Okay, impedance means Z is equal to R plus J omega C. I think you can study in the transmission lines. So is said to be infinite. That means what? Is said to be infinite. Okay, and don't forget this is a very key point of this question. And now just take 3. So the given circuit is closed. So this means the given circuit is closed. So we will get the infinite impedance. So we'll get the infinite impedance. Okay, now just go. We can go for the calculation part. Okay, you can go for the calculation part here. What they have given means omega is equal to 5k radian per second. Is that right? That is very simple. And now we can make it as a, what I say, that is because I0 means you can take it as an open circuit. So here I can just have a 2 terminal and take this one. So here I is not flowing. I is not flowing. Is it right? So if I equal to 0 means automatically V also becomes 0, because you know the Ohm's law, V is proportional to I. Right? So I just take this one, take the remaining parts. So here it won't flow. In this portion completely I becomes 0, but not in this portion, because you have a capacitor. Capacitor has some storage of current. Okay. So here I can draw this circuit, and here it is J into 5 ohm, and and here it is another one. I just draw here. It is J into 5 ohm, and here the capacitor will be available. So since if it is going as infinite, you can know that C is equal to, C you can name it in the form of xc. Okay, that is equal to J divided by omega C. Don't forget. Okay, don't forget, because if it is going to be infinite, you have to name the C as xc. That is equal to minus J divided by what? Omega C. Don't forget. Now you can calculate Z. Okay, Z is equal to J5. So this J5 is it right? So look at this J5. So this J5 is going to be parallel to this one and this one. This J5 is going to be parallel to these both, right? So J5 is going to be parallel to what? J5 as well as. So that means what? You can have the minus. Okay, this one minus, this one plus this one, is it right? Minus J divided by omega C. Is it right? J divided by omega C. No issues. Now what is that? That is it right? So something parallel, something means for example, x1 parallel. The formula set x parallel means x1 into x2. So I can write x1 into x2 divided by x1 plus x2. The formula. From the formula, I can have that's equal to j5 into j5 minus j divided by omega c divided by j5 had to be plus j5 minus j divided by omega c. Okay, that is the one. Now what I do, I'm going to equate this denominator to 0, because the left hand side is z, right? Y means, suppose if z comes here, what I told is z tends to infinity, z, right? Z comes here, assume you can have this one I'm going to take to the left hand side. So what you have, j5 plus j5 minus j divided by omega c is equal to j5 into j5 minus j divided by omega c the whole divided by z, because you know that z tends to infinity. What do you know? Always this is 1 divided by infinity, is it right? 1 divided by infinity. You know that 1 divided by infinity is going to be 0. Is it right? So automatically you can have this denominator is going to be 0. So calculate this one. That means what? Calculate the denominator. This is the denominator, is it right? If the denominator, you can calculate to 0. Okay, so this j, is it right? So j5 plus j5 minus j divided by omega c, you have to equate to 0. What is j5 plus j5? 10j. 10j. Take this one to the other side. It is equal to j by omega c. So j will get cancelled. So automatically omega c is equal to, what is that? 1 divided by 10 omega c. C, you want c, is it right? C is equal to 1 divided by omega into 10. Sorry if I'm going very last. It's equal to 1 divided, what is omega? Omega is 5k, right? 5k means 5,000. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 5,000 into 10. So automatically you will get the answer. I just write the answer here. Okay, so answer of C is equal to, if it is calculate means C value you will get 20 into 10 to the power minus 6 F. So 10 to the power minus 6 means you know that, because I just write once again here, because sorry for the long description. C is equal to 20 into, what is 10 power minus 6, mu F. So automatically you have to give the answer as 20. Okay, 20 mu F. No problem, already mu is available here. That's the exact answer. Thank you. If you have any doubts, come in the comment box.